Hello. Listen, isn't the population explosion getting serious? They say that somewhere in the world there's a woman giving birth to a baby every 3 seconds. Well, I think they ought to find this woman and stop her.
You know, they say crime doesn't pay. Crime doesn't pay. And yet the papers reckon that Leslie Crowther's getting a fortune for the prizes, right?
I don't think Cuddles likes me very much.
Why not?
Well, yesterday he bought me a rattle.
A rattle? Well, what's up with that?
It still had the snake attached to it.
I've seen Neil Kinnock's being considered for the next Commonwealth Games. His track record isn't good, but he's a dead cert for the high jump.
Hey, a riddle. What's green and got 6 legs? Orville tied to a snooker table. I ate that duck.
You know, parking meters aren't really hard to find. Look how many people find them before you do.
Theatrical agent, that's me, what? And I'm going to introduce you to a couple of lovely little girls that you're really going to like. Here they are, Strawberry Switchblade.